friends, welcome to my class in Kiran Academy. This is Jyoti Ashwin. Today's topic is for all competitive examinations, which is based on objective type questions. Today's topic is Indian National Congress. This topic is very important for every examinations. Questions from this topic is always asked. I try to give you maximum information in one place so that you don't waste your time in collecting facts. So let's begin. So first question is, who was the first Viceroy of India? And the answer is Lord Dufferin. He was Viceroy of India from 1884 to 1888. Second question was, who was the British Prime Minister at the time of foundation of Congress? And the answer is Gladstone. He was the British Prime Minister at the time of foundation of Indian National Congress. Third question, what was the venue of the first Congress session? And the answer is the first Congress session was held on December 28, 1885 at Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit Pathshala, Bombay. These two facts are very important because the name of school was always asked where first Congress session was held, and the place where it was held, Bombay. In which year? It was 1885. In this session, 72 members participated from different regions of country. So this one question contains three facts, that is, in which year Congress was found, where its first session was held, and how many members were participated in this session. Next question, who was the first president of Congress? First president of Congress was W.C. Banerjee, Bhomesh Chandra Banerjee. Question seems very easy, but it was always asked. Next question, who was the first woman graduate of Calcutta University addressed Congress session? And the answer is Kadambini Ganguly, the first woman candidate or graduate of Calcutta University, addressed the Congress session in 1880. So two facts, in 1880 Calcutta Congress session, Kadambini Ganguly addressed. She was the first women graduate of Calcutta University, and it symbolizes the commitment of the freedom struggle which gave due status of Indian women in national life. Next question is, in which session national song was sung for the first time? So first we should know what is the national song and what is the difference between national song and national anthem. So Bande Mataram is national song, and it was first time sung in Calcutta Congress session of 1896, and it was presided by Rahmatullah Sayani. So three facts are in this question, that in which session it is 1896 Calcutta session, and it was presided by Rahmatullah Sayani. So these questions contains 1, 2, 3 facts along with one, it is in one question. So next question is, first European to become president of Indian National Congress, and the answer is George Euler. In 1888 at Allahabad Congress session, he became the first European to become the president of Congress. Next question, in which session Dada Bhai Nauroji first time used the word Swaraj? The answer is in 1906 Dada Bhai Nauroji in Calcutta session first time used or introduced Swaraj. The next question is Surat split. This event is very important for national movement, and Surat split, when it took place, in which year it took place? So the answer is in 1907 Surat split took place, and this session was presided by Ras Bihari Bose. So this question is very important, which year it was took place in 1907 at Surat. Next question is, in which session Jana Gana Man was being sung for the first time? The answer is in 1911 Calcutta session, Janagan Man was first time sung, which was presided by Bisan Narayan Dhar. So always place at which place Congress session was held, in which year this session held, and who presided. So this is very important. These three facts in within one question. This is very important. So this was held in Calcutta in 1911. Next question is, who was the first Indian woman president of Congress? Always question from this topic is asked. That answer is Annie Besant. In 1917 Calcutta session, she became the first Indian woman president of Congress. Which Congress president was for maximum tenure? The answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was Congress president for maximum years, and he was Congress president from 1940 to 1945. The next question, in which Congress session Gandhi ji resigned from Congress, or you can say active politics? In 1934 Bombay Congress session, Gandhi ji resigned from Congress and it was presided by Rajendra Prasad. Next question, in which Congress session Gandhi ji gave proposal of non-cooperation? In 1920 Special Congress session, it was held at Calcutta Special Congress session, and in this session Gandhi ji gave proposal of non-cooperation, and this session was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question is, who was the first Indian woman Congress president? Always question student mix up with these two questions, first Indian woman and first woman Congress president. So the answer is Mrs. Sarojini Naidu was first Indian Congress president in 1925 in Kanpur session. In which session All India Khadi Board was founded? In 1923 Kakinada Congress session, All India Khadi Board was founded because Khadi became the national symbol at that time in national movement. So Khadi Board was founded in Kakinada Congress session. Next question, in which Congress session Khadi wearing was made compulsory? In 1926 Guwahati session at Assam, wearing Khadi was made compulsory for all the members of Congress. So Khadi became the national symbol of national movement, and it was pride for every Indian to wear Khadi. So it was made compulsory by Congress to wear Khadi. Next question is, in which session complete independence was declared as Congress goal? The answer is in 1929 Lahore Congress session, Congress declared complete independence as its goal. In which Congress session two resolutions were adopted on fundamental rights and national economic program? These two resolutions were very important, and the answer is in 1926 Karachi session, fundamental rights and national economic program were adopted. And in next question, in which Congress session permanent fixation of land revenue was demanded? So search the answer of this question and give me answer in the comment section. I'll give answer of this question in my next video. So thank you. If you found it informative, do like and share this video.